Hey YouTubers, welcome back to another episode of Rosie's Kitchen Cooking. Good morning YouTubers. So today we're going to be making some breakfast this morning. So I'm going to start out with what you would need. So we're going to have a bowl for our eggs. I'm cooking for a large family. So we have about, 3, 6, 9, 11 eggs. We have some turkey, as far as some turkey franks, grits. This is the Sargento sharp cheddar cheese. I have some Parmesan cheese in here, Gouda cheese, butter for the grits that we're going to be making, tomato paste, oil, some bell peppers that are already cut up. We have some Pam. I love this kind of bread. I haven't been really eating bread lately, but this is kind of to make a sandwich. So we have the Sara Lee brand bread. We have pepper, as well as onion powder and garlic salt. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be needing so that we can make some eggs, like an egg sandwich, as well as some grits. Okay, now I've already cracked the eggs and put them in a bowl. So what I like to do is I usually keep the eggs in a bag. This is just a regular Walmart bag, so that I could trash them later and so that they don't, smell. And I've already cut up the turkey franks. I've cut up 4 so far and placed it in a bowl. Also, these are the peppers that we had already that was cut up. And then this is the cheese that I decided to cut up as well. So this is what I've done so far to prep. Okay, so I've already added some pepper to the eggs. I've added garlic salt as well as onion. And I've already beat my eggs. I've also added some Pam to the pan already. And I've added about 2 cups full of oil. About 1.5 to 2. And then I just don't want anything sticking to the pan too badly, even though I believe this is non-stick. But the oil is also going to be used to actually cook the tomato paste as well. So next is we're going to add the franks first, as well as the tomato paste. We're going to cook that. And then we're going to add the peppers and then the eggs and then the cheese. So you start off by putting the temperature to 8. Alright, so what we've done is we added the peppers to this. Also, you don't leave your temp on 8. You're going to put it down to about 5 for 2 minutes and then turn it on 2 so that this doesn't burn. So you don't keep it on 8. You just keep it on 8 when you need to add your tomato paste, and then you cook the franks for a bit, and then you put it down to level 5, then 2. Now I added the eggs to the pan, and I put it on 5, the temp on 5. And then the cooking time for the franks as well as the bell peppers was a total of 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. And then afterwards we added the eggs. Alright, so this concludes our breakfast tutorial on our scrambled eggs. And we garnished it with some parsley. Thanks for watching our video.